Hi there, this is Jonathan Ginsberg, and I want to define a term that you may hear during the course of your bankruptcy case. And that term has to do with the schedules that we file, and specifically Schedule I and J. And Schedule I and J are the budget. That's basically the budget. Schedule I represents the income side of things, and Schedule J are the expenses. So one of the things I always tell my clients is prior to any hearing you go to, especially the 341 meeting of creditors hearing, take a look at your entire petition, but in particular, take a look at Schedule I and J. That's the budget. Trustees and judges recognize that some of the things in your bankruptcy petition are stuff that your lawyer is going to put together. You may not know exactly what all that is, and you may give information, and the lawyer may kind of work with you. But certainly with the budget, you're going to be expected to know what various budget items are. So it's really important that you look at your budget and that you see what we have listed for food, for utilities, for insurance. And if you see that there is a figure on there that has changed, that was incorrect for whatever reason, let us know prior to any hearing. You don't want to go to your 341 meeting of creditors hearing and the judge, the trustee rather, will say, I see that you're paying $180 for car insurance. And you're like, no, it's actually $80. That would be something I'd like to know ahead of time. We can deal with that certainly in advance. We can amend the budget and change things around, but you should definitely look at your Schedules I and J before you file, certainly, but even after you file, to make sure it's accurate and be prepared to discuss any and every item on any line entry on Schedule I or Schedule J, because that's the one part of your petition that you're really expected to know, since presumably that came directly from you. So that's what Schedule I and J are. It's your budget. It's something you should definitely take a look at all phases of your bankruptcy case. Any questions about Chapter 7 or Chapter 13, please let me know. This is Jonathan Ginsberg.